How to unlock grayed out menus in Excel. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software that allows you to perform various calculations, analyses, and data visualization tasks. However, sometimes you may encounter some menus being grayed out or unavailable in Excel. This can prevent you from accessing some commands or features that you need. Here are some ways to unlock the grayed out menus in Excel. Press Enter after editing a cell. One of the most common reasons why some menus are grayed out in Excel is because you are editing a cell in your worksheet. When you are editing a cell, Excel locks some menus to prevent you from making changes that may affect the cell content or formula. To unlock the grayed out menus, the easiest way is to press the Enter button on your keyboard after editing is complete. This will unlock the grayed out menu items and allow you to use them as normal. Unprotect the sheet or workbook. Another reason why some menus are grayed out in Excel is because the sheet or workbook. Password protection is a feature that allows you to restrict access or editing of your Excel files by requiring a password to open or modify them. However, this also means that some menus will be unavailable or grayed out unless you enter the correct password. To unlock the grayed out menus, you need to unprotect the sheet or workbook by following these steps. Go to the Review tab on the ribbon and click on Protect Sheet or Protect Workbook from the Changes group. The Unprotect Sheet or Unprotect Workbook dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the password. Enter the password and click OK. This will remove the password protection and unlock the grayed out menus. Ungroup the sheets. Another reason why some menus are grayed out in Excel is because the sheets are grouped together. Grouping sheets is a feature that allows you to apply changes or formatting to multiple sheets at once by selecting them together. However, this also means that some menus will be unavailable or grayed out unless you ungroup the sheets. To unlock the grayed out menus, you need to ungroup the sheets by following these steps. Right-click on any sheet tab at the bottom of your workbook and select Ungroup Sheets from the context menu. This will ungroup all the selected sheets and unlock the grayed out menus. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl+Shift+U on your keyboard to ungroup the sheets quickly. Change advanced options. Another reason why some menus are grayed out in Excel is because of some advanced option settings for your workbook. These options allow you to control how your workbook is displayed, printed, calculated, or saved. However, some of these options may also cause some menus to be unavailable or grayed out if they are not compatible with your current workbook state. To unlock the grayed out menus, you need to change the advanced options by following these steps. Go to File Options Advanced from the menu bar. Scroll down to find the option that may be causing the problem and change it accordingly. For example, if your menu items are grayed out because of hidden objects, you can uncheck for Objects, Show All option under Display Options for this workbook section. Click OK to save your changes. And unlock the grayed out menus.